Let's take a quick minute talk about life insurance. Kung ikaw ay isang breadwinner, parent, seafarer, or OFW, dapat meron ka nito. Life insurance is basically a way of saying, even I'm not around today or tomorrow, my family will still be okay. Wala naman may gusto sa atin na may mangyari. Pero, let's just be honest. Life is so unpredictable. As a breadwinner, kailangan handa tayo at paano natin sila proprotektahan kahit wala na tayo. It's not about fear. It's about peace of mind and making sure that our family is protected no matter what. Kung napapatanong ka na kung ano yung magandang insurance para sa'yo, let's break down it simply. How it works, kung ano yung magandang options para sa'yo or sa family mo, message mo lang ako.